What's happening, everybody? This is Jorge Martinez with Prosperity. Listen, I'm standing right next to a superstar, Izel Rodríguez.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
So, just wanted to share something. Izel has been in the business in general 5 months. And Izel, you've taken already, 5 listings. You have several escrows and working with a lot of clients.
Right.
Tell us a little bit what has been your experience like in the past five months.
Well, it has been a very positive experience that I've had, specifically with Prosperity Real Estate. Man, the mentorship that I've been receiving, the guidance, it's literally hands-on, and that's why I feel like I've been so productive.
Yeah, but also I gotta give you your dedication, your commitment, and your passion that you show up every single day when she comes to the office. Gotta tell you something. The things that we've seen in you, it's totally, very different. And another thing is, another question I have for you. What has been like working with Prosperity Real Estate and Associates?
Oh man, everything about it. The environment, the family, the team that we have, that we built. Man, being hands-on has been key for me.
Yeah.
You guys, if I need help, anything that I need, you guys are always there.
Yeah.
Not just through the phone, literally in person, by my side with me.
Oh,
I think
okay.
that's been the biggest thing about it. The my favorite. You know, you guys didn't just throw me in there.
I appreciate that. No, seriously, it's been a journey, and like I said, it's been an honor working with you. One last question, Izel. Where do you see yourself in the next 12 months?
The next 12 months, a year from now. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'll put it on the video. I'm gonna be top 1 agent. I am absolutely dedicated. I love everything. I love this business so far. I'm telling you right now, I'll be top 1%.
And I know you will. I know you will.
Thank you.
I feel it. I know it. And being in the direction that you're in right now, I know you will be in the top 1%. So congratulations.
Thank you.
So if you had an advice for an agent, a brand new agent that is coming to the business, what would you say to that person?
Oh man, if you're a brand new agent, I would say, man, consistency, have the discipline, if possible. Man, be 100% committed. Come into the office. That's going to be the key.
There you have it. There you have it. Those are the ingredients for success. And I appreciate you so much.
Thank you.
So much for what you do also and what you bring to the table for our team. You're definitely a team player. So listen, if you would like to know more about what we do here in Prosperity Real Estate Associates, send me a message, reach out, and I'll be in contact with you. Thank you.